She's showing me love. She's showing us love. I really want to know, RIA MIA, welcome to Flames. Welcome to the Upnlive show.
Thank you very much.
How you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm very fine. But the question I want to ask you first before we even got the love.
Gosh.
Yeah. Talk to me. What's going on there? What's good for this song?
My personality, I'm very like a closed person.
Okay.
And I'm very like, how do you explain it? I'm not really, I'm loving, but when it comes to guys, I'm just like, ugh, like I can't bother.
You just can't bother.
Yeah, but
No.
this is something that shows like I do have a little bit of a lovey side. So yeah, that's me.
Okay,
My
that
lovey side.
explains it. All right. Okay. Can you just explain to my viewers, watchers, and people that's listening right now, what kind of artist is RIA MIA?
I would say I'm an alternative artist.
Okay.
Because I'm very versatile. Like the single that I'm pushing out now, Personal.
Okay.
That's kind of like a UK dancehallish kind of a feel.
Yeah.
And this is sort of like a slow, jammy R&B. And the other song that you've got, what is it? Oh, that's another dancehallish kind of. I'm very versatile. Basically, I'm very versatile. So I don't really want to put myself in one bracket.
One box. Okay, that's good.
Yeah. And like this week, I'm actually going to be planning my first EP. And with that, like,
you're doing a lot of stuff. It's just coming in. It's just caving in.
So yeah, that EP is not going to be one genre. It's going to be loads of different kind of.
Okay, you're going to be dipping in and out of things.
Mm-hmm. Nice collabs, and everything just has to bang. Everything has to be. Whew,
yeah, I like that. So tell us about a little bit about yourself. Other than music. Who are you on a 9 to 5 basic? What do you do on a normal day, like say today, Monday?
On a normal day, I work with teenagers.
Okay, that's good.
I'm a support worker. I'm a mum as well.
Yeah.
And I'm lovely.
that's a very different one.
In a nutshell, that's me. I'm lovely.
How long have you been doing this music? Is it recently, or is it something that you've been doing for a long time?
Okay, well, basically, I've been writing for about over 10 years now.
Wow.
I'm 25.
Okay.
Been writing for about over 10 years. But I had this thing where like I lacked a lot of confidence. Like I've lacked a lot of confidence like during my teenage years and early 20s. Well, I'm still kind of early 20s. But yeah,
you're just coming out of the box.
And early last year. Is when I started recording.
Yeah.
It actually started by with my friend's birthday, and she got a phone call from one of our friends that's also an artist.
Okay.
He was like, yeah, just come down to the studio, blah blah. And then was vibes in and whatever. And then I was listening to the song and I was like doing a little humming and whatever, doing my own little remix quietly.
Yeah.
And then one of the man them heard me and
it's
it was like, what? Jump in the booth now! I was like, oh.
So what was the feel like there when you're in the booth? How did it come on you? Did you actually embrace it, or were you scared or what?
I was really nervous at first, but then 1, 2 piece of liquor.
Yeah. The influence starting to flow.
Yeah, and plus because I was around my friends as well, it wasn't that bad.
Yeah, you're more confident, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but that makes sense. The music sounds good because I saw your last performance on the stage and you were like on the stage. So I'm not thinking that you're a newcomer to the stage. I thought you were actually in the game for quite a number of years. So that's really good on your side.
Like my first performance was this year. 2nd of April.
Okay.
And I remember it was acoustic kind of setting, and I had a live band and everything.
Yeah.
And yeah, I was really nervous, and it didn't really go according to how I wanted it because one of the drummers kind of changed what he was doing.
But listen to
but
you.
I still went with the flow.
Listen to you. You're just an amateur, and you're actually telling. Are you sure you weren't the one that's not doing the right thing?
No, because I watched it back, and yeah, it was alright. I still carried it on. I still went with the flow. Did a Beyonce.
Yeah.
And I feel personally that I've seen a development, and I've actually got like a lot of good feedback, which I really appreciate, and I'm just humbled by it because before
he was down in the gutter. Boy.
Yeah, I would not have thought I would be on that stage, whining and them thing there. Yeah, but no, it's alright. Do you write music as well? Yeah.
The song that I'm listening to right now is called 19 42. Why is that title? Why that title? I saw this title. I'm thinking, oh, is this like an elderly lady coming to the studio? Explain the title for me.
Well, I was listening to the beat, and I don't know, I just kind of flowed with it. 1942. Me, I was just thinking, oh, I love my history, by the way.
Okay.
I love my black history, and me growing up in the UK, in London, like you learn about the English history and so on and so forth. So I was thinking, I don't know, I was just thinking about like the war, and then I know I'm random. I'm really random sometimes. I was thinking about the war, and you know, like people had their loved ones go out, and sometimes they wouldn't even find them. They wouldn't be reconnected and whatever.
Yes.
So I don't know. I kind of put myself in that setting. I don't know. It's kind of weird, but that's just how I am.
It's all right. It's called being an artist.
Yeah.
People who are not in that field won't understand that. You say that you're crazy, but it comes with the job. It's on the CV, you tick it off. So what's next for RIA MIA actually? What's next for you? What next you say you're pushing?
The next song after Personal, because I've released a video I think it's like 3 weeks ago. Personal. Okay. That's had a good response as well. That's on Link Up TV at the moment.
Okay, so that's Personal, yeah?
Personal.
Okay, so what we're gonna do? We're gonna take a break there, right? I want you to just introduce the song so everyone that's listening right now, so they can actually hear what we're talking about. The song Personal. Introduce it. We're gonna play it right here on Flames Radio. Introduce your song.
Hey guys, it's RIA MIA, and this is my song Personal.
Claim you're a bad boy, but really you a sad boy. Claim you're a bad boy, but really you a sad boy. Claim you're a bad boy.
That's the sounds of RIA MIA right here on the Flames Radio. This is absolutely a crazy song, and it's featuring, is it IQ?
Yeah, IQ.
IQ. Talk to me in the making of this song.
IQ, I met him at a video shoot for another artist. I'm close friends with Ade from Link Up TV.
Okay.
So I went along with him to this video shoot, and IQ was in it as well.
Okay.
And that's really where I met him, but I didn't really speak to him at that video shoot. It was more over Instagram, actually.
Okay.
I don't remember who followed who or whatever, but we were just talking through DMs and whatever. And then I showed him the song, and then like, yeah, he said that he wanted to jump on it, and then jumped in the studio. Then like a couple of days later or whatever, then we shot the video like the next week, and then
the rest is history.
Literally.
Blame it on the DMs, yeah? Oh my gosh, crazy. And you say you're working on your EP, as you said before, right?
I'm planning it this week. Planning,
and how many tracks are you planning to go on the EP?
I'm thinking about 7, but it's not confirmed. I want to like literally just bang out the collabs. I want collaborations.
Any direction you're heading for the collaborations? Any personal interests? Any admiration you want to work with somebody, or do you have people already picked?
I have 2 artists already that I'm thinking of, but we haven't confirmed anything because, like I said, we're planning it this week.
Okay.
So I don't really want to.
Yeah, not that
keep
much.
it a little secret for now.
For now. Okay. Listen, yeah. We know you're gonna be doing crazy things in the future because we've been watching you. I've been watching the Instagrams. I've been watching the videos up, and she's been doing lots of crazy things on our social media. Can you just give people the way we can find you on social media? How you can find your music?
Yeah, my Instagram and Twitter is at only RIA MIA. That's only RIA MIA, only RIA MIA.
Okay.
And yeah, that's on SoundCloud as well. SoundCloud, Instagram, and Twitter. And on YouTube right now, I've only got the video for Personal, but I'm dropping another video hopefully next week on Link Up TV.
Okay.
With me and another artist, my friend Clips. And the song's called Slow Motion as well, so I hope you guys like that one as well.
We'll be looking forward for that one, definitely. Any performances do you have coming up, or anything that you're planning to attend, any shows or anything?
Yeah, I think the 3rd of August, there's an open mic event. It's a Sick a Bit event for Bad Girl Edition.
Okay.
I'll be performing there. On the 4th of August.
You're quite busy.
On the 4th of August.
She's checking the diary to make sure that she doesn't miss anything out. So people, if you're listening, if you're locked in right now, make sure you stick and stay. Up next, we got Young Ones going to be in the building. definitely on Flames Radio. But right now we got the beautiful lady RIA MIA. Also, if you want to see what's going on inside the studio, you can log on to the Flames Radio website. That's flamesradio.co.uk, and you can watch. And if you're watching right now, I'm just saying good evening to everyone that's viewing on the website live stream. Yeah, we're here. RIA MIA, are you ready with this, the announcement, the big announcement?
The 4th of August, I'll be performing at something called Queen Code.
Okay.
And that's like more of like women empowerment. I'll be performing there. And on the 11th, oh, I should have got that one up as well, shouldn't I?
Yeah, she's slacking, man. She's slacking. She is slacking.
DJ Rick Upnlive.
And also you can follow us at World Mag Promotions at worldmag.com. I keep saying there's too many. Listen, I'm gonna need to talk with this producer. There's too many World Mags. There's worldmag.info. There's worldmag.com. There's World Mag. What else again? Just Google World Mag and you find us. It's simple. Any last words before you go, RIA MIA?
Oh yeah. So on the 6th of August,
yes,
I'll be performing at Live by Day. All the flyers are on my Instagram as well. So you'll be able to see them there. But it's a big day party and barbecue, which is going to be a shelling. So yeah, you guys make sure you come there, man.
Okay, so we're going to be leaving you with this one because we're fastly approaching the time of close. And we're going to be leaving you with this song. Could you just introduce an outro for your song? Is it called Clips?
No, Slow-mo. It's with clips.
It's with clips.
Yeah. Guys, this is my song with my friend Clips called Slow Motion. Yeah, the video will be out next week, hopefully on Link Up TV. Please look out for it and take it away.
Thank you very much. There you had it, RIA MIA. She was on set today. Lovely having you on the show today. And guys, she said, please stay out of the DMs because it's getting a bit crowded inside. Remember, stick and stay right here. Up next, we got Young Ones. This is Flames Radio. Keep it locked. Don't move a muscle.
Watch me whine in a slow motion. What's that kind of weed that you're smoking? Need to fix me.